Here we are at 3928 Chalet Drive in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is a twin home that sits on the corner. It does have a 2-car garage. Nice big driveway here. These front steps are covered, which is nice. Just a couple steps up. As we enter the home, you'll notice there's hardwood floors and heightened ceilings. A small hallway here on our right with the first 2 bedrooms. This room here faces the front yard. Nice big window there. Closet there with a full swinging door. Second bedroom, similar to the first. Full-size closet there as well. And there's a full bath here. Transitions to tile floors. Nice big mirror over the sink. You do have some shelving and some drawers there next to the sink. Full tub and surround. If we continue down the hall, this first door on our left opens up into the garage. The second door is a coat closet here. Just ahead of us is the sitting room. Nice large windows there that face the backyard. Give you a view of the kitchen. This hardwood does extend from the hallway into the kitchen and dining room area. The living room does have carpet. Storage on our right, as well as a pantry here with some built-in shelving. Makes that really nice. Stainless steel appliances. There's a dishwasher here in the island. Sliding glass door here that takes you to the backyard. Give you another view of this living room area. Has a nice open feel here. The kitchen, dining room, and living room are all one big open room. There's another small hallway off of the living room here with an arched entry. The first door on our left opens up into the utility closet. That's where the furnace and the hot water heater are. At the end of the hall, this room is the washer and dryer room. You have your hookups there, and it's tile here as well, and you do have a shelf overhead. Master bedroom at the end of the hall. We have a walk-in closet in that corner with some built-in shelving. And bathroom here. It does have a full tub here as well. And a nice large vanity there. I'll give you another look at this closet here. It's a nice good sized closet with some built-in shelving. Very useful. That concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is BMG Rentals Property Management. If you have any questions or would like to see the home, give us a call or visit our website at bmgrent.com. Thanks.